starting to roll. This is the ultimate LA community. You can get from San Diego walking LA. That guy behind you that always wants to tell people, watch this. Yeah, no problem. You can just light your afterburners off and take care of it. Check this thing out on the right-hand side of the field. Chris Darnell. And this is just in your blood. So Chris started driving some of the smaller jet trucks at an early age. And as you said, when Papa Neil handed him the keys, what did he tell him?
He said, drive fast.
That's all he said.
I wish my dad had said that to me.
Well, Chris actually has a bachelor's degree in marketing and advertising there from Missouri State. And he's doing a great job at it today. Plus, check him out at facebook.com/Shockwave, the jet truck. Now look at this. Now, Chris is starting to get a little harassment there from the window.
Guinness Book of World Records certified speed record on this jet truck, 376 miles per hour. So we're going to have a race, but it's going to be handicapped.
A little bit, because it's a shorter run. A lot of assault. But if you talked to Chris last night, he was saying that he thinks he's going to just walk off and beat John Culver in 50 cents.
We'll see.
And John Culver didn't feel it.
No, John says I can do it. Now let me ask those of you who were here this morning, here's how the race is going to work. John Culver is going to have a diving start.
That's right. We're going to give him every advantage possible.
John Culver and a standing start by the Shockwave jet truck. Chris Darnell will have only a matter of seconds to accelerate to over.
What is race on? Rob, count us down with the radar.
All right, radar says 150, 175, 2, 225, 3, 310, 310, 330. Wow! Oh my gosh! He got to 344.7 miles an hour.
44.7 miles an hour.
Oh my goodness! Wow! And the overtake was significant on today's race. That was clearly a Chris Darnell win.
Wow.
Whoa!